The first of two atmospheric rivers is dumping heavy snow at higher elevations, bringing gusty winds and soaking precipitation across much of California on Thursday. More than 20 million people are under flood warnings as storms threaten flash floods in cities, including Los Angeles, Diego, Sacramento, San Francisco, Jose and Oakland. The threat for Central and Southern California will last through Friday morning. Another atmospheric river, possibly stronger, is expected to move through the region starting Sunday, albeit briefly after Thursday's storm inundated Southern California. Rainy conditions are expected to continue into February as a more typical El Niño pattern kicks in. El Niño, a natural phenomenon in tropical Pacific that affects weather around the world, causes changes in jet stream that can direct storms directly toward California. Storms can also benefit from an extra strong source of moisture from the tropics called an atmospheric river. On Wednesday, the first of two atmospheric river storms hit Northern California, as the storm shifted southward during the afternoon and overnight hours. Much of California saw persistent rain. Rain will continue across Central California on Thursday, with the best chance of heavy precipitation shifting into Southern California early Thursday morning. Periods of persistent precipitation and strong winds will affect Southern California at least through early Friday. During this time, much colder weather will also begin to overtake the situation. 1 to 4 inches of rain are possible in the southern part of the state, with rates that could exceed 1 inch per hour. There is a level 2 out of 4 risk of extreme precipitation for Southern California on Thursday. Roads and low-lying areas are most at risk of flooding, and rising water is also possible in some waterways. Water rescue on Mark West Station Road tonight. On Starr Rd, the person who was successfully rescued from the flooded vehicle could not get out on his own. If there is water flowing over the road, don't take the risk. Turn around. Don't drown. Sonoma County V10L0SCSCV. Sonoma County Fire District February 1, 2024 floodwatches in Central California will remain in effect through Thursday night. Another inch of rain is expected to fall across the region on Thursday. Coastal areas received 2 to 4 inches of rain through Wednesday night, while valley areas recorded 0.5 to 1.5 inches of rain. Meanwhile, the western half of California could see a few storms that could produce bursts of heavy rain. This comes after a series of thunderstorms ripped through San Diego last week. San Diego officials have warned of possible evacuations in flood-prone areas, including those that were inundated last week. This warning is optional. It is designed to encourage residents in these flood-prone communities to be prepared if and when an evacuation order is necessary, San Diego Mayor Todd Gloria said Tuesday. The State Office of Emergency Services said swift water